guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, Prachi and Shubham. And we have started our day by making tea right now. अभी हम चाय बना रहे हैं. This is the morning tea and हमने breakfast already order कर दिया है. First we were planning to prepare the breakfast by ourselves since we are living in Airbnb. But then we were being lazy. थोड़ा सा laziness हो गया, so we thought we might as well just order something from outside. We have ordered आलू का पराठा and पनीर का पराठा. And हम सोच रहे हैं उसके बाद फिर बाकी का plans अभी schedule करते हैं.
And here we have Shubham, and he is making tea for us. And guys, I think Shubham ने आपको बताया ही होगा कि हमने breakfast order करा है और अभी हम चाय पियेंगे with breakfast.
अभी कपा नहीं खा रहे क्या?
नहीं
खा रहे हैं.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना. तो guys, we're gonna have परांठे. सोचो हम दिल्ली से आ गए पर दिल्ली हमारे अंदर से नहीं गए क्योंकि हम breakfast में भी ordered परांठे. तो we'll have परांठा चाय and then we'll start our day. Most probably guys, देखते हैं शायद आज हम pool में जाएं. We're going to enjoy. We're going to chill a bit in the pool and उसके बाद हम एक बहुत famous cafe जा रहे हैं.
Let's see and let's decide first.
हाँ.
We yet
Most
to
probably.
decide. Yes.
We're going to a very nice cafe and then a very good place for dinner. So guys, here is our breakfast.
Heavy breakfast. This is really heavy.
कैसा है?
सही है.
How are the परांठे?
Nice.
परांठा, अचार, curd and our chai. So guys, we are at our Airbnb swimming pool and हम swimming pool में बस chill कर रहे हैं. It's the morning time. Look at Shubham there, guys. What is he up to? He's having too much fun.
I got this.
For me?
Yes.
Yay! Guys, we are here in our Airbnb pool and this morning time.
Yes.
We thought we'll just chill a little.
And it's amazing. We are enjoying.
Yes, we're enjoying the pool. We'll just chill for a bit here and then we'll head out.
The sun is coming as well.
Yeah, look at the sun, guys.
And look at the view. It's perfect.
Look at the sun. Wow. But we love that, there's like so much greenery. We went for a swim and सुबह हमने freshen up हुए, breakfast करा. But अब हम जा रहे हैं to a cafe at Anjuna Beach, which is Arjuna Cafe, and we'll see you there. We are leaving for our destination. This is our cute red scooty, and that's my husband.
Hello.
Shubham Negi.
Let's go.
And we leave now, guys.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So here we are at Arjuna Cafe right now.
Yes.
And this is the other location because वहाँ पे it was very packed and we had to wait for 1 hour additional. But हमने सोचा हम दूसरी वाली branch में आ जाते हैं. So we have ordered something. What is this, Prachi?
This is hummus with some pita bread. ये इनका signature dish है, guys. तो guys हम actually Arjuna, जो अंजुना बीच पे है वहाँ आए थे. But वहाँ पे 1.5 hours की वेटिंग है, तो उनका छोटा आउटलेट
Yes.
पास में है. सो वी थॉट विल कम हियर एंड ट्राई द फूड. क्योंकि खाना दोनों जगह का सेम है, दोनों ब्रांचेस का.
Exactly.
So we have ordered classic dishes. One is this one, which is hummus and pita bread. And next हमने shakshuka मंगवाया, तो वो भी हम आपको बताएंगे.
Nice.
So let's try this.
Please try this. Let's
Pita
see.
bread थोड़ी thick है नहीं वैसे?
Of course, like वैसा नहीं होगा. Maybe it's like tasty or
Like
something.
मुझे pita bread थोड़ी पतली पसंद है वैसे.
सही है.
To be honest, it's not the best hummus and pita that I've tried, but it's good.
No, one time के लिए you can eat, right? Anyways, you were not planning to eat something very heavy, right? I've ordered साथ में what? Peach iced tea or lemon iced tea?
Lemon iced tea.
Lemon iced tea. I've ordered what have you ordered?
Cold coffee.
Cold coffee. Well, it's okay because it's sunny and nice and breezy outside. I'll show you the weather as well outside and like the view. And there we go. So
guys-
yep, let's keep eating. So Prachi, what do you think about the hummus and pita bread that we had?
Yes guys, we just tried hummus and pita, but we have had better. क्योंकि जो pita bread थी, I like it thin and very soft. And hummus में भी हल्का सा bitter taste था. तो it was not the best. We have tried better than this. I would rate it a 7.
7 ना?
6.57.
Same here. मैं भी ऐसी 6.5-7 दूंगा.
So what about you, Shubham?
6.5-7 I'll also rate. मेरे को भी ठीक ही लगा, but
Very average, na?
like one time eating.
But somehow we had a lot of expectations because we have heard a lot about Arjuna. But
maybe it's because of the second branch, that's why.
yeah, maybe because it's it's not the main branch that we're eating at.
हाँ.
But although they told the food was the same in every branch.
Yes.
But ठीक है guys, we'll try the next dish and let you know.
Are we trying?
Shakshuka with some cold coffee and lemon iced tea, guys. Let's try it.
Awesome.
So Shubham, you had shakshuka with bread. How was that?
It was good. It was nice. 8.5 number out of 10. अच्छा था, like the taste was also good. Tomato, egg. It was nice. Thank you for
Guys, we just had shakshuka and it was amazing. Actually, it was better than hummus and pita bread.
Yes.
I would also rate it like 8.5 on 10. हाँ, shakshuka अच्छा था guys. और हमने साथ में we had lemon iced tea and
Peach iced tea.
no, that was lemon iced tea
cold coffee.
and cold coffee, and I love the cold coffee. Cold coffee I would definitely rate 8.5, 9 on 10. And how was the lemon iced tea?
It was good. 8 out of 10.
Oh guys, देखिए इधर शुभम कैसे सोने वाले गोवा में आकर.
It's afternoon time. Oh my god. It's afternoon time and it is lazing time.
If you see guys, बहुत lazy हुए हैं हम. Actually हम सोच रहे थे घर वापस चले क्या थोड़ी देर सोने. But that would become very lazy of us. So अभी
Yes,
हम जाएंगे and we'll explore
Yes, we'll
Goa. So guys, we have just left from Arjuna Cafe. हम निकल गए हैं. अब हम प्लान कर रहे हैं थोड़ा फ्ली मार्केट जाने का एंड थोड़ी शॉपिंग करने का. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर यहाँ का फ्ली मार्केट कैसा है guys.
Yes.
So are you excited, Shubri?
I am very excited.
Yes,
We are
guys.
going.
Let's go to the flea market here and tell you our experience. So guys, we are at the flea market of Goa and let's see guys यहाँ का market कैसा है. So guys, हम इधर थोड़े coasters देखने आए हैं और इनका coasters का collection actually अच्छा है and it's not very expensive, around 120 per coaster.
Very nice. Enjoy the sea.
Huh?
A lot of things.
shades and hit the streets. No plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves.
Hey guys, so गुड इवनिंग. हमारी फील्ड शॉपिंग हो गई है और अब हम अंजुना बीच पर बैठे हैं, जस्ट enjoying the sunset. अभी सनसेट जा चुका है, बट वी गॉट द वीडियोज़ एंड पिक्चर्स. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ कि जहाँ हमने डिनर के लिए टेबल बुक करा है, दैट इज़ जस्ट बिसाइड द बीच. सो
Where are we going?
वी आर गोइंग टू Pisco by the beach. वो हमारा 8:30 का रिजर्वेशन है गाइस, एंड तब तक वी थॉट वी जस्ट बी एट द बीच एंड एंजॉय द सनसेट एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स देयर. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग वाज कि फ्ली मार्केट इज जस्ट अक्रॉस द बीच. तो हमने थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करी. विल शो यू वट एवर वी गॉट जस्ट लाइक स्मॉल सोवेनियर्स फ्रॉम गोवा. एंड हमने अपनी फ्ली मार्केट की शॉपिंग करी एंड बस बीच पे आके रिलैक्स करा.
Yes.
एंड नाउ वी विल सी यू एट द डिनर.
Nice. It is calm. It is nice. Very serene.
या वेरी
अच्छा सा
रिलैक्सिंग.
sunset हो गया है. It is calm and we are enjoying our time.
So guys, we have reached our dinner location, which is क्या नाम था? Pisco by the beach, and we are at a dinner spot. देखिए मेरे husband को, because he is scared of the grasshopper here. तो चाबी कैसे खोली जा रही है? कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसे ना साइड करके पूरा बॉडी ऐसे दूर करके ऐसे डाल दो. डाल दो ना,
तुम्हें बोलना आता है बस.
चाबी डाल दो. अरे करो ना. आप इतने दूर हो कि अगर वो उड़ेगा भी तो आप भाग सकते
अरे हाथ पे तो जाएगा वो.
हो. चाबी तो घुसाओ भाई. ये देखिए गाइस मेरे हस्बैंड को ग्रास हॉपर से लड़ते हुए क्या करा जा रहा है. वेट, ग्रास हॉपर ना सोया हुआ है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू. खोलो तो पहले. देखिए गाइस
कम
हमने
बुबू कम फास्ट.
ग्रास हॉपर.
बुबू साइड से आना, मत करना उसको. ग्रास हॉपर है. आदमी ने पकड़ लिया तेरे को.
शिट
ग्रास हॉपर. चाबी रुक जा, चाबी नहीं मिलूंगी.
गाइस हम सक्सेसफुली अंदर आ चुके हैं ग्रास हॉपर से बच के. हो गया भाई. आई टोल्ड यू दैट ग्रास हॉपर इज स्लीपिंग. यू जस्ट हैव टू लाइक गो इन. Guys, we are back from our dinner. It's going to be around 12 and we went to Pisco by the beach. And honestly guys, हम आपको बहुत honest review देंगे. तो ambience and everything was really good there. The beach view was good, ambience was good. उसके लिए I think around 9.5 on 10. But to be honest about the food, फूड हमें बहुत थोड़ा एवरेज लगा. एक तो उनका जो मेन्यू है बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है. एंड कल हम गए थे की बाय द बीच, तो उनका बहुत एलैबोरेट मेन्यू था. लाइक उनके पास आई मीन यू नो फ्रॉम एशियन टू लाइक कॉन्टिनेंटल टू लाइक यू नो एवरीथिंग वाज देयर. सो देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी. सो दैट वाज वन थिंग मिसिंग हियर एट पिक्सो बाय द बीच, क्योंकि इनका बहुत लिमिटेड मेन्यू था. एंड इनका स्टार्टर्स का जस्ट एक पेज था. देन यू नो इवन द मेन कोर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो एंड आई थिंक इनका कॉन्टिनेंटल फ्लेवर्स पर ही पूरा रेस्टोरेंट है. बट इट वॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेरी लिमिटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ चॉइसेस. और दूसरी चीज़ जो हमने मंगवाए भी, हमने क्या मंगवाया था?
First, what we ordered was
chicken wings.
Chicken wings, yeah.
We ordered chicken wings and then we ordered another starter, vegetarian starter, which was
So it was
Cajun
related to non-veg.
burrito.
Yeah,
And then we ordered the chicken main course.
yeah.
And her cheese ko we were like around,
Even though they are continental, but still.
yeah, it was
they
like around
should, like elaborate the continental
menu also.
menu as well.
Yeah. So it was like around 7, right? 7 on 10.
Yeah, 7 on 10.
7 on 10.
Otherwise, vibe.
6.5 or 7 on 10. Food and vibe and all is good. The ambience is good. It's by the beach, so it's a good location. But food we were not very impressed with, to be honest. But ठीक है. We just had our dinner and we're back. So we'll see you tomorrow now because we're very tired. I think we're just going to freshen up, change, and go to bed. And see you guys. Bye.